All right, so here's kind of a nice, helpful little property here. It says that when you have an exponent, oh boy, you have an exponent there, like log 10 to the third, which remember that means sub 10 down there. You could take that third power and kick it to the front. So it'd be like 3 times the logarithm of 10. So if you thought of that kind of stretched out down here, so it'd be like log, you got the sub 10, 10 to the third equals x. If you were to turn this part into an equation, you would say, well, 10 to the x equals 10 to the third. That's not how you write a 10. There we go. And then you'd say, oh, well, x equals 3. That's great. That's one way you can get there. This property is saying you could kick the 3 to the front and be like 3 log 10. Now, one of our other properties we learned, or will learn, is if your base and this number here are the same, then that comes out to 1, right? Because 10 to the first power equals 10. So this just becomes 3 times 1, which is 3. Both answers get you the same way. But I think you'll like, if you have that exponent, kick it to the front, and it might save you some steps. So let's try some out where we have to do that. So here, we're going to take the 2, and we're going to scooch it to the front. So we'll make this 2 times log 381. Now, if we are just simplifying log 381, we're saying 3 to the x power equals 81. And 81 is 3 to the 4th power. So all this 3 base 81 stuff comes out to 4. But we still need to multiply that by the 2 that we kicked out initially. And 2 times 4 would give us 8. So we simplify it to 8. Now you can do that as well if you just set 3 to the x equals 81 to the 2nd power. And then you're like, well, 81 is 3 to the 4th. And then you can multiply the exponents. You have 3 to the x equals 3 to the 8th, and you still get 8. So whichever way you want gets you there. So let's try the second one. We kick the 3 to the front. 3 log 5 1/5. I'm going to move this over here. So if we were simplifying this, what is going on here? What in the world is going on here? What is this? So we could say 5 to the x equals 1 over 5, right, if we were simplifying this portion. And it's 1 over 5, which means the exponent would be -1. So this logarithm comes out to -1, but we need to multiply it by the 3 that was out there. 3 times -1 gives you -3. So kick that bonus exponent out to the front, simplify, and then multiply at the end. So I want you to try all 3 of these, and I'm going to work them out up here and check if you get the same thing.